Hi friend, it's Stace. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here today. I just discovered a little bit of a hack for the mashed potatoes. This past Good Friday inspired me to make something with seafood that I'm not normally, I don't typically eat seafood a lot, but I'm used to eating lox bagels. And on this plan, you know, you can't have bread. I'm on the 5-in-1 with Optavia. And so for now, I've cut that out completely, but I've got my own version. So let me share that with you, and I hope that you enjoy it just as much as I did. So what do you need? You need your mashed potatoes. There are two kinds, so you can choose either one, whichever one's your favorite. Today I'm doing the sour cream and chives mashed potatoes. I have my smoked salmon, laughing cow cheese, and I have my tomatoes. I'm going to measure these out. This will be 1/4 leanest. It will be half a green, and 1 condiment will be the cheese. So let me go and measure it out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have 1.75 ounces of salmon. That is 1/4 of your leanest protein. You have 1.5 ounces of your little tomatoes, so that's 1/2 of a green. And then I'm gonna be having 1 laughing cow wedge, and that's going to be 1 condiment. It could also count as a fat if that's something you'd like to do, but I'm going to count it as a condiment. So now I'm going to follow the instructions on the back of the packet. I'm going to mix the packet with 1/2 cup of cold water, pop it in the microwave on high for a minute, then stir it and pop it in for another minute. So let me go do that, and I'll be right back. So I have microwaved the mashed potatoes, and I'm just letting them thicken for about 2 minutes. In the meantime, what I've done is I have cut the little cherry tomatoes into halves because I just think it's gonna look cuter, and who doesn't like pretty food? Besides that, after the mashed potatoes are thicker, I'm going to split it into 2, and then I'm going to put half into my Dash mini waffle maker. If you don't have one of these and you're on an Optavia program, I highly recommend getting yourself one. They are quite affordable. I'll leave a link in my description where you can find your own. Oh my goodness, they are amazing. Not only can you waffle your mashed potatoes, you can waffle your chocolate brownies, you can waffle your cookie, you can waffle anything. I've waffled my pancakes. Those are really delicious. If you haven't tried them, you need to get your hands on them. So definitely get yourself a Dash mini waffle maker or any waffle maker that you prefer. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm going, as I said, split it up in half. So I'll end up with 2 little waffles. That will be the bagel part of my meal. So let me go do that, and I'll see you on the other end. The mashed potatoes have been waffled. Now I'm going to cut my little laughing cow wedge in half, put each half onto these 2 pieces, adorn it with my smoked salmon as well as the tomatoes, and I'll show you the final product. So I've put it all together, and here it is, your Optavia version of lox bagels. I hope you enjoy, and if you're celebrating, happy Easter, happy Passover. Hope you have a wonderful day with family and friends. See you next time.